Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The upcoming 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome promises a fusion of functionality, cutting-edge design, and the brand's renowned dependability, continuing the illustrious tradition of Volkswagen's contributions to the recreational vehicle sector. One might make assumptions based on Volkswagen's past products and current automobile trends, even though specifics must wait for formal announcements. It is anticipated that the 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome's appearance will harmoniously combine aerodynamic efficiency with practical attractiveness. The car will probably include integrated lighting systems, sleek lines, and a profile that is suited for both highway stability and urban maneuverability, all of which are influenced by Volkswagen's modern design language. Features like strategically positioned entry points and handy servicing access panels will probably demonstrate Volkswagen's commitment to accessibility and usability. The vehicle's adaptability for long trips and a variety of weather conditions will be highlighted by the incorporation of sturdy materials and construction. According to internal projections, passenger comfort and efficient space use would be given top priority in the 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome. Volkswagen's interior design experience will probably be included into the layout, which will prioritize adaptability with flexible living spaces that may be used for dining, sleeping, and relaxing. A sophisticated and cozy atmosphere will be created with the help of premium materials and ergonomic design concepts. Furthermore, the driving and living experiences will be improved by the incorporation of cutting-edge entertainment systems, connection choices, and driver assistance technology. Volkswagen's dedication to functionality will be further demonstrated by the attention to detail in storage solutions and the addition of intuitive controls. The 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome is expected to have a variety of dependable and efficient engine options, possibly including internal combustion engines as well as electrified powertrains, which would be in line with general industry trends. These alternatives would be appropriate for both leisurely driving and navigating a variety of terrains, with the goal of offering a balance between performance and fuel economy. It is expected that the chassis and suspension systems will be designed to provide a steady and pleasant ride, which is crucial for lengthy trips. The 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome's market positioning is anticipated to appeal to a wide range of leisure travelers, including individuals pursuing nomadic lifestyles and families looking for adventure. Its expected combination of comfort, functionality, and Volkswagen's well-established reputation for quality makes it an appealing choice in the cutthroat motorhome industry. The 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome is expected to represent the brand's key principles in a car built for travel and pleasant living, although official specifications are still pending. Its features and design will probably show a careful balancing act between innovation, practicality, and the Volkswagen brand's timeless appeal in the recreational vehicle market.